If you were hit because another driver failed to yield in Colorado Springs, whether at a merge on Academy Boulevard, a stop sign on Nevada Avenue, or a highway on-ramp near Powers Boulevard, the insurance company will still try to argue you were speeding or not paying attention. Failure to yield is clear negligence under Colorado law, but proving it requires police reports, witness statements, and evidence preserved before it disappears. The insurance adjuster calling you is not on your side. McCormick and Murphy represents failure to yield accident victims throughout Colorado Springs. With over 75 years of combined legal experience, our team includes former insurance defense attorneys who know how insurers shift blame onto innocent drivers. We reconstruct crashes, obtain traffic citations, and challenge lowball offers. Colorado law allows you to recover compensation for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering, and property damage. Do not give a recorded statement before you understand your rights. Call McCormick and Murphy today at 719-389-0400 or visit us online at McCormickMurphy.com.